Beyond the glitz and glamour that often accompany the lives of the affluent lies a sophisticated and nuanced world of wealth management. Wealth management for the affluent is not just about accumulating assets, it's about strategically planning for the future. The world sees the yachts, the mansions, the private jets, and the opulent lifestyles. But behind these visible symbols of wealth lies a complex and often overlooked truth that requires meticulous planning and management. The truly wealthy understand that preserving and growing their fortunes requires a different game plan, one that is tailored to their unique needs and goals. This is where luxury financial advisory steps in, providing a specialized approach to managing significant wealth. It's about more than just numbers. It's about understanding the client's vision and aspirations. It's not just about making more money. It's about safeguarding a legacy that can be passed down through generations. The needs of high net worth individuals and ultra high net worth individuals extend far beyond basic investment advice. They require comprehensive strategies that encompass estate planning, tax optimization, and risk management. Their financial lives are intricate tapestries woven with multiple business ventures, real estate holdings, and complex investment portfolios. Each thread represents a different aspect of their wealth that needs careful attention. Managing these diverse assets demands expertise, discretion, and a deep understanding of the unique pressures that come with substantial wealth. It's about making informed decisions that align with the client's long-term objectives. This is the world of luxury financial advisory, where specialized knowledge meets personalized service. Here, advisors act as trusted partners, guiding their clients through the complexities of wealth management with a focus on achieving their financial goals and preserving their legacy for future generations. The holistic approach comprehensive strategies for success. This approach is not just a buzzword. It's a philosophy that integrates every facet of financial planning into a unified strategy. Luxury financial advisory takes a 360-degree view of wealth. This means looking beyond mere numbers and investments and considering the broader picture of a client's financial health. It's not just about investments, it's about comprehensive financial planning. This involves understanding the client's life goals, risk tolerance, and future aspirations. This includes investment management, yes, but also estate planning, tax optimization, philanthropic endeavors, and more. Each element is meticulously planned to ensure the client's wealth is preserved and grown. And even concierge services for lifestyle management. These services ensure that clients can enjoy their wealth without the stress of managing it. This holistic approach ensures that every aspect of a client's financial life is aligned with their overall goals. From retirement planning to daily financial decisions, everything is interconnected. It's about creating a cohesive strategy that maximizes growth, minimizes tax liabilities, and ensures financial stability. This strategy is tailored to each client's unique situation and protects assets for future generations. This means planning for the long term, ensuring that wealth is transferred smoothly and efficiently. Luxury financial advisors act as financial architects, designing and constructing a robust financial edifice that can weather economic storms and market fluctuations. They use their expertise to build a solid foundation, designing and constructing a robust financial edifice that can weather economic storms and market fluctuations. This ensures that clients' financial futures are secure, no matter what challenges arise. Tailored solutions, personalized service in the financial world. One size fits all? Not in the realm of luxury financial advisory. Here, personalization is paramount. Advisors work intimately with clients, understanding their values, aspirations, and risk tolerance. This bespoke approach ensures that every strategy is tailor-made to the client's specific circumstances. This level of personalized service extends beyond mere financial planning. Luxury advisors often act as trusted confidants, providing objective advice and emotional support during critical life decisions. They understand that wealth management is not just about numbers, it's about people, families, and legacies. unlocking exclusive doors, investment opportunities for the select few. The world of high finance offers a plethora of investment opportunities, but many are hidden behind closed doors. Luxury financial advisors, with their extensive networks and industry insights, provide access to these exclusive investments. These might include private equity deals, hedge funds, venture capital opportunities, and even coveted real estate ventures. These exclusive investments often come with higher potential returns, but also with higher risks. Luxury advisors provide expert guidance, helping clients navigate these complex waters and make informed decisions that align with their overall investment strategy. Section 5, Protecting the Empire, the crucial role of risk management. With great wealth comes great responsibility, and a significant part of that responsibility is mitigating risk. Luxury financial advisors are acutely aware of the various threats that can erode wealth, from market volatility to geopolitical instability. They employ sophisticated risk management strategies to safeguard their clients' assets. This might involve diversification across asset classes, geographic regions, and currencies. It could also include hedging strategies to protect against market downturns or utilizing insurance products to mitigate specific risks. Section 6. Securing the legacy estate planning for generations to come. Building wealth is one thing, ensuring its smooth transition to future generations is another challenge altogether. Estate planning is a cornerstone of luxury financial advisory, ensuring that a client's legacy is preserved according to their wishes. This involves drafting wills, establishing trusts, and minimizing potential estate taxes. Luxury advisors work closely with legal and tax professionals to create a comprehensive estate plan that reflects the client's values and ensures their wealth benefits their loved ones for years to come. Section 7. Navigating the globe, expertise in international financial waters. In an increasingly interconnected world, many high net worth individuals and ultra-high net worth individuals have assets spread across multiple countries. Managing international investments, navigating diverse tax laws, and understanding the complexities of cross-border transactions require specialized expertise. Luxury financial advisors with global expertise provide invaluable guidance in this arena. They have a deep understanding of international financial markets, tax treaties, and legal frameworks, ensuring that their clients' wealth is managed efficiently and compliantly on a global scale. Section 8. Beyond finance, the concierge approach to wealth management. This unique method of managing wealth is designed to cater to the sophisticated needs of high net worth individuals. Luxury financial advisory extends far beyond traditional financial services. It encompasses a holistic approach that integrates financial planning with lifestyle management. Many firms offer a concierge-like approach, providing assistance with a wide range of lifestyle needs. This service is tailored to meet the unique demands of affluent clients. This might include managing multiple properties, arranging travel and entertainment, facilitating art acquisitions, and even offering bespoke investment opportunities, or even securing access to exclusive events. These services ensure that clients can enjoy unparalleled experiences without the hassle of planning and logistics. This level of personalized service frees up clients to focus on their passions and priorities, whether it's pursuing hobbies, spending time with family, or engaging in philanthropic activities. Knowing that their financial and lifestyle needs are being expertly managed, the concierge approach ensures that every detail is meticulously handled. It's about providing a seamless and stress-free experience that caters to every aspect of their affluent lifestyle. From financial planning to lifestyle management, the concierge approach offers a comprehensive solution for those who demand the best in every facet of their lives.